I was just thinking that I'm getting kind of chilly in here, and I was going to say to you, it's supposed to warm up, but it isn't that warm quite yet. And I looked at the thermometer, and it's in the sun, 7 degrees. It wasn't that when I went out this morning, talk with Gail. It was 0 at that point. Now it's 7. Yeah. We still have all the snow. So that will go down today. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to rush off to get the wood pellets just yet. No, I think I'll wait and do that till tomorrow. When is it supposed to rain? Not sure. It's really nice and warm. I have to go out there and go for a walk. But yeah, you can't walk on the sidewalks because the sidewalks still have ice and snow. I brought my sneakers. If I go for a walk, do I go for a walk in my boots, or do I walk on the road and walk in my sneakers? Dilemma. Yeah, so I checked my email, my school email, which I had not done since we signed off last week. This is good. I have things to do this week, and I just don't want to forget anything, but I don't want to feel... right now, I'm pressuring myself. I'm pressuring myself. See, this is the proper use of the word myself. I speak to myself, okay? But that belongs to me. Don't get the two confused. Sorry, I'm a grammar pedant, okay? Don't use myself when you're not doing anything in relationship to yourself. Me is a word that is a perfectly good word. That belongs to me. It belongs to me. I am not doing anything with myself. I'm not doing anything towards myself. I'm simply stating the fact that that belongs to me. I speak to myself, well there, then I'm doing something with myself. But if I say that belongs to me, as for me, this person, nothing happening. Okay, there's a difference. And I really object to people using that incorrectly. Suppose it's going to get wiped out. The original meaning way of using it is going to get wiped out, like so many things have gotten wiped out. So I suppose the way I speak is incorrect for the original meaning. I have no idea, but I was taught a certain way. Myself means, and me means. You, yourself, have different meanings. We have two words for a reason. You want to wipe one out? Okay. If you're going to wipe out the word me, fine. But as for me, I like it. Okay, that's not what I was going to talk about. So I've started planning for next week. Because I'm doing the things that you're supposed to do. Yeah, so there's this. I'm trying to make next week easier because I have lots of preparation time. The thing that I have been looking at for a few PDs now, and people have been so concentrating on, I'm sort of getting bored with and not so happy about. And really, it seems like a lot of work. Why should I do that a lot of work when I don't have to? I'm making a lot of work for myself by even thinking about this, It's unpleasant. So I'm sorry, Christine. I don't think I'm going to use it. Yeah, no. What am I supposed to use? Onyx, Avenue. And then I'd have to, no, way too much work. I can teach English without doing that. So let's do that. So I'm starting to make a list of things. When I talk about things with Ronnie, maybe I'll do that near the beginning so that we don't skip Ronnie. Then we have the end goal, which is a task. I like the tasks on this one platform. Here's some practice reading. Reading is the next activity. So we did listening, speaking. We're now doing reading, and then we're going to do writing. So I have to figure out writing for the following week. I have to teach these things before I test them. So we're working on it. We have been working on it, you know. But sitting here, I'm shivering because I'm sleeveless. I'm short-sleeved. And it's not warm inside because it's warm outside. See, the sun is shining on the house. Furnace not running so much. So I'm not so warm. Yeah. You know what you can do, Monica? You can put on a sweater or a hoodie or long sleeves. It's so simple. Put the shirt under here that you usually wear under here. Yeah. But I already got dressed this morning. I don't want to get dressed again. I'm so lazy. I'm so lazy. Alrighty. And you know, I don't want to do anything. It's March break. I just want to rest and relax, but I've got to prepare. It's Monday. I'm starting to prepare. Yeah. I'll be very ready. I'll be very ready. So I went through my list here. Oh, right. This is the H5P thing. This is not my list. This is my list. So I've checked off the things. Yeah, this list doesn't apply anymore. Does not apply anymore. I can put this in the garbage because I made a new list. And I'm going to work with the new list as of now. Oh, come back. There we go. Alrighty. Haven't done anything with myself today. Haven't washed my hair. I just got up late. Fed the cats late. They didn't even realize. They were going, "Oh, you're feeding us? How come?" Wow. Yeah, because they're on the old time and I'm on the new time. Right, that's what I have to fix. I have to fix my alarm clock. It went off this morning at 1 minute after 12. And then it went off again at 1 minute after 1. Yeah, I have to fix that. I didn't change the time correctly. So I have to fix my alarm. My clock, it's not an alarm clock, which is the problem. I was so puzzled going up, what is this? What is this? I don't use that clock as an alarm clock. I use that clock as my timepiece in the bedroom. Okay, so I can roll over, look at the time, go back to sleep. I never use the alarm. So by accidentally turning on the alarm, that scared the shit out of me this morning. I didn't know what was going on. Never having heard that alarm before. Yeah. So I just pulled the plug because I knew the batteries in there didn't work because they have never worked. No, I don't know why. That's another thing that needs to get looked at. Why is this clock not working? Why is the battery not keeping it running when the power goes? This is the purpose for putting batteries in an alarm clock. So when the power goes, your alarm clock still runs. But no, I don't use it as an alarm. I use it as a clock. Immaterial. Why do my batteries not work? I bought special batteries for that little clock. Don't work. So let me go change my alarm before it wakes me up in the morning again.